Hello, good evening, Ayush.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, ma'am, to see you and to meet you on Zoom.
Like you should speak a bit louder because so you have to speak a bit louder.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I was just telling that I feel great to see you and on this Zoom meet. Am I audible?
Okay. So like, how was your day? My as
My
usual
day was
question.
okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, so my day was good. And so interesting day because I have got my result of bachelor degree today. So it was looks interesting because I finally I right now I am graduated. Okay.
So, what was your experience? Want to say it in few words?
For what, ma'am? For what experience? This class.
You told that you were graduated or something.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. No, ma'am, experience was very good and my uh, college life was very good. That time, the whole 3 years, uh, I did my best in all the aspects like making the friends, new friends, or also with interacting with people, and also I was very interested in my study also. That's why I got good marks also. I I have got 80% overall, and it is second topper marks that I have got. Okay. So my experience was great in my college because I make many friends and also very good friends also. That's it.
And were there any bad friends or bad memories?
Yeah. On this aspect, I have a very bad experience with friends. Yeah, I made some bad friends also, but okay, it's okay. Don't I don't take anything like very hard or very difficult to me. I when I face some challenge, when I face something, then I take it as a challenge. Okay, and it's, we say about that take a challenge like a ladder and go in a step by step. Yeah,
Okay, so that was it. And you are very happy today. No
yes,
hard
ma'am.
feelings.
Yeah. I'm also happy because of this meet and also happy because I got my result today.
I'm also happy because I got my hostel money back because it was stuck there for a month. Where I had been calling hostel manager actually, that please send us our money since 1 month, and they were not sending actually. And today I received, but that was only 50%. We were to receive 3,000 or something, but we received only 1,500 or something. What a minute.
Oh,
I'll just hold on. Continue.
yes, ma'am. Yeah. You you were telling about your
So, like,
experience.
Sorry.
Yeah, you were telling about your fee return. Return.
We had to get back like 3,000, in total 3,000 rupees we were to get back, but they have only sent 1,500 student. I was like, what are they doing? First of all, they're not sending the full amount, and now they are giving only 50% or something like that. So I was a bit irritated, but still happy that I got something in my account at least.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
My puja pocket money that came after puja.
Okay, using
I'll
Diwali.
use it for
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
nah. I think my brother's birthday is coming on November, so I'll buy something for him, I guess.
Okay, that's very nice. Yeah.
Because he has a lots of demand. He was like he's in class 10th this year, and he's like after 10th I may go somewhere to read like for coaching and all everything. So this will be my last birthday at home, so you please give me lots of surprises and all everything. He has already made a list
He is so
of like, I
demandable
want a
person.
white coat. Yes, I want a white
So,
coat. I want cake, lots of friend and all. I want a watch, everything.
okay, so and that's so good. I think he is a so demandable kind. Am I right? Yeah, he demands all the stuff. That's good.
Actually, we fight a lot. Like I told him that you haven't given me anything on my birthday or on Raksha Bandhan. Why are you demanding from me? And he's like, he will be then cute at that moment. He'll be like, I'm your small brother. You should give me and all like that, like that.
Yeah, you are elder one, yeah. So you have to do.
Yeah. So how are your parents and all family members?
Yeah, all good. All good.
And
All
how is
good,
your
man.
preparation going for mid-sem?
Ma'am, it's also good. Also going good. Mm, it's also good going good. Yeah.
Your reaction is like, I have to think, like, am I really preparing for my exam or not?
Yeah, because ma'am, there is no any schedule. Like we have to do. We will going to do at this date or that date. Okay. Uh, professors have its own decision to take the examination. They take it at any day. Okay, any date. That's why. I think there is no
Okay.
mid semester because
So,
I have already give many quizzes. Okay, like I think that my this semester is going on like every day is like a exam because every day one or two professor take exam like quiz or something and also give some assignment to do within uh, a uh, date. Okay, that's why.
acha.
It's
Nice.
just
You
like
should work hard.
yeah, it's just like ma'am, the course and the lectures and what can I say and the quizzes and the assignment goes in the synchronized manner. Okay, yeah,
So you should study hard for your mid-sem. Like,
yeah. I will give my
yes,
best.
because it will be your first exam, right? In first sem, na? First mid-sem.
Yeah, yeah. First miss.
Okay. So do you have anything to ask to me?
Not so much. Just how are you and what are you doing right now? Have you got your hostel? Sorry. Have you got your college? You told me the last
Actually, I'm
college.
I had your class at 7 actually, but I rescheduled it to 8 because my result was to come at 6 actually. Like
No,
that
no, I was.
college allotment,
Yeah.
that
I
college
was.
allotment.
Okay. I
Okay,
was
you
asking
speak
about that.
first.
Yeah. Okay. I was asking about that. Have you got your college?
That one I'm telling ki that college selection and that list was to come out today at 6 p.m. And I had your class at 7, but the site it is still not opening. I still haven't got my result, and I am very nervous. I was feeling very nervous, so I rescheduled your class. I'll take your class at 8 because I was kind of feeling very that feeling you get when you are expecting your results and all. So that's
Yeah.
why I was very nervous to actually talk to anyone also. So I I called no, Manav sir and I told that I cannot take the class at 7. I want it to be rescheduled to 8. But still now my results are not yet like out. So my mind is there only like what will be my result and all. I'm totally blank right now.
Yeah. Yeah. When the result will coming, like all the people have some anxiety like this.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, huh. So I'm kind of also my parents they have gone to village for some work, so I don't have anyone for moral support right now, and I'm like,
Okay.
and before this I just called my friend and I was like I don't have anyone as my moral support. I feel like I'll get fever out of this nervousness. So and he was like please drink a lots of water because you may faint out of nervousness. This thing happens actually. I get very nervous when entrance results are about to come. I don't know why.
Okay.
I
I
have
know
that
you got.
phobia.
Okay, but I know you got your best college as we know about the
I hope
Jesse.
so.
That
Yes.
she is very talented. Yeah.
And I was telling about you to my brother that if you don't work hard, actually, today my father he was just discussing about these classes and about every student, and I told there is a student who is doing IIT from Hyderabad, and I told my brother that if you want to be an IITNC, you have to work hard and all everything. My brother is like, you will just make a talk between me and that brother. I'll also ask him how he is preparing. And I said, first you clear your 12th. Okay, he's in IIT and you haven't cleared your 12th class also. So everyone were like excited that, okay, I talked to an IITian and all like that.
To me, you are excited to talk with me.
I'm the second.
What I am asking that you are excited to talk with me.
My brother.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
He wants to be an IITian. Actually, he will appear for IIT exams. So he was like, okay, I'm also excited and all like this.
okay. Just tell to him that prepared so hard. That's then you got the dream. IIT,
Huh.
the dream idea.
But he is very fickle minded. He never sits at a place more than 10 minutes. If he sits with his books more than 10 minutes, then he will go mad. He'll be like, oh my God, I'm here sitting for more than 10 minutes. I need to check my WhatsApp. I need to go and roam and all everything like this. Very fickle
This
minded.
is this is not going to be very good for the future. Yeah,
Yes, and like, I
because
have always told him, like, just stay out of all these things. But who can tell, like it's very difficult when people enter teenage now. It's very difficult to get hold of them. They will do what they feel right.
yeah,
It is
especially
So
in
he
this
is,
time.
yes,
Yeah, because
he is entering his teenage. So getting out of control a bit. I always tell to mama that keep an eye on him. It is not easy to control, especially boys, because they come in contact with a lot of peer pressure. Like friends, they love to go in trend. If that person is doing
yeah,
this, I'll also do this. If he is having this thing, I also want to have this thing, and all these things I've just seen. I have faced that phase in my life. So I'm always concerned about him, like what he will do.
yeah. So you have to take care of himself, okay? Because this is a big
Ha
issue
ha.
that he can't stay after 10 minutes to a study or doing something because it is just like a impatient person, and this is not going to be very good in the future. Yeah, for a student.
Yes, and like just recent, what, he is like very fickle minded, and also he is a very fast driver, very fast, be it bicycle or be it bike or scooty, anything he'll drive very fast, very. And
He
recently
drive
one
bike also.
incident happened sorry.
Yeah, he drive bike also.
No, not bike, but scooty. Actually, father has not yet given him bike, but scooty. He drives that. And recently, when I went to village, okay, he just he was in very full speed. Okay, like I think more than 40 it was, and he just collided with our main gate and just tipped off. And my grandfather, he was like so angry. So my grandfather is the dramatic like person. He's like the head, and everyone is afraid of him, of my grandfather, when he gets angry. And usually my grandfather, just because me and my brother, we live in town, in urban area, and my grandfather and all, they live in rural area, in village mainly. So my grandfather, he never scolds us like me or my brother. Okay, he has never like shown anger towards us. But that day, when that my brother fell, my grandfather was so angry at him, so angry at him, that my brother was saying that I'll never come to village again. So this thing happened, and like I was very terrified because he was at a very full speed, and that gate, it was up still, and he just collided with that full speed. So it was terrifying.
Yeah, yeah. So I want to ask something that have he got the smartphone?
Have
Own
you
a
got
smartphone? Have
a
he got?
smartphone?
Have he got the own smartphone? I'm talking
Ha
about
ha.
your brother.
No, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. It's like my mother's
Okay.
smartphone, my mother's phone, but from 2 years they are having online class. So all his study materials and everything, his tuitions are being conducted online also sometimes. So most of the time my mother's phone is with him. He will come from school and he'll like, show me my phone, show me my phone. Everything in my mother's phone is named after him. He has changed the DP, changed Gmail ID, changed account name, everything. He's like, after 12th, I'll keep this phone with myself. My mother will be like, my mother doesn't get, actually, means from 24 hours, my mother gets to use the phone, I think, only for 2 to 3 hours from 24 hours. It's always with him because
Okay.
all his classes, study materials, test, sample papers, they're always in that phone. School provide the link. This is not a good sign, but you cannot help.
Yeah, yeah. This is the big issue for this generation. Okay, because all have its own phone due to the online classes or something like that, and they use two of this. Okay, and that's why they can't stay for her or his studies. Okay, more than 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
Yes,
Because I
ha.
am also a teacher. I am also a teacher of a class. Uh, at class 10th, and also right now I am teaching class 12 also for JEE mains or advanced, and I saw about this type of student because they have got one mobile phone and they are busy in doing like PUBG or
Yes,
like games
he is
on
a very
Instagram.
he is
These
very
are the
much
things.
into Free Fire.
This is the wrong sign. Yeah, and if we will not go to lead that things, then it is very much impossible uh, to do the study in the well manner. Because I
Yes,
have already saw this type of student.
I have already seen.
Yeah, this is the main reason of today's
So,
generation.
huh, exactly. We for like I know that no, if in when I was in
Yeah,
my 12th in 11,
one second. I have got my smartphone in BSc first. Okay.
I also
Yeah.
got my personal phone graduation first year. I got my phone graduation first year.
I didn't got. I have purchased for myself only. Okay. Then I got.
That's a nice thing.
Yeah. So, but right now, all the students have its own phone. Like nursery to LKG student have
Yes,
also
ha.
a
Because
smartphone.
due to this pandemic, everything was like shifted to online mode. Be it school
Yeah.
or homework or tuition, everything. It was
Yeah.
just shifted to mobile phones.
Yeah. That's why they become used to of mobile phones, and
Yes,
this is
yes,
going to be a disaster thing. Okay, for them, because mobile phone is just like a,
yes.
what can I say? Mobile phone is just like a,
They're a trap. They're a trap. They
yeah,
will
yeah,
trap.
they are just like a network. Yeah, snake.
Yes. Mobile phones are blue whale games. They will just
Yeah,
attract you more and more.
even I and you are also attracted to random one. Even we have a more mature, become a more mature, but you and I also get attracted to random one
Yes, huh?
sometimes. Yeah,
So that is the thing. Like, let's see. Till now, he is doing good. He is good at his studies. Like, he never neglects his studies. Like, uh, gets his performance is like 94, 95% always on in every exam. But I'm like,
yeah,
it is just 10th. You don't know what is the level of in 11th and 12th. You never know. It's like
yeah.
out
It's like
of
a
your
experiment.
it's totally out of your imagination that the physics once you face. I don't know, I actually don't like physics. Okay, but I know how hard it is. I don't know, and I'm always like, you don't know how hard physics is. Math, especially integration, I remember, was the hardest one for me. Integration, limitation, and all, whatever it was.
Yeah, integration limits and differentiation or a application
Yes.
of derivation.
I actually love to do the differentiation part. Differentiation was easy for me. Okay, that you have to use d, right? Dx or something.
Yeah,
I remember. But there was something like you have to do s type and you have to write on the upper on the head of the s.
yeah, limitation,
What is
upper limit and lower limit.
ha ha ha.
Yeah,
So that never, like, I was never interested in that thing. Like, what is this? You have to do s and write this. It always bounced off my head actually. But the differentiation was easy for me. I loved, except that limitation and integration, I loved everything like matrix, permutation, combination, and all. I remember some. I was not that bad at mathematics. I was actually average.
yeah, good.
But
I
physics, I
also,
don't remember anything. I don't remember a single chapter of physics, like what I read in class 12. I don't remember anything.
yeah, yeah, same here, same here. I also don't
Same.
remember any. Yeah, yeah. Physics is my weak point.
Acha.
Yeah.
Chalo, I have got someone who doesn't like physics. Else whoever I'm
No, no,
talking,
no.
he's from physics background.
Yeah.
And I was like, how do you guys study physics? Like you are doing graduation in physics, 3 years you are only
Yeah.
reading physics.
Abhijit is a physics honor. I think so.
Ha, I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm always like, I don't know, I'm kind of envy or just because I cannot do it, that's fair. But I always feel amazed at people who do graduation from physics. Like, oh my god, you guys are so intelligent, you are able to understand the things actually.
Yeah, physics is not a very bad subject. It is very interesting. If you
Yes,
understand the if
actually
you
every
understand the
subject is interesting. Once you understand the fundamentals, like the
yeah,
basics, you will get everything. Yes.
this is
So
the
that same thing is also with English. You understand the basics and you get everything.
yeah. Are you liking the chemistry? Are you like chemistry?
Like I used to like chemistry because we had, that organic, inorganic chemistry we had just, and we had like no enthalpy and everything. Those I remember some terms, and doing
Yeah,
those
thermodynamics.
bonds, doing bonds and all that chain. I remember doing those figures and all. Periodic table. I love remembering periodic table. I think I remember up to 20. I hope I remember up to 20. Okay, but during my 12th, I remembered, I think up to 30 or 35. We had to remember actually.
But I have to remember all the predictables elements.
Yes, so you remember
Because,
all 118 elements?
yeah, because I am doing master from chemistry honors. That's why
Acha.
I have to remember. There is no matter.
So what is the
Yeah.
110 element?
Right now I don't remember.
If you, even
I
if you say
have
anything,
we are not remembering like that. Okay, that like
acha.
name of one. We have some tricks and tips to remember
Like
the
that Henry
predictable.
likes something. That sentence is there, na? Henry likes something. That
Yeah,
sentence
yeah,
is
yeah,
there.
yeah. Like हरीना करे सबसे फरियाद और
That
देखा ना
Henry
और
like is
उधर
for
बात
that
करेंगे.
hydrogen, helium, lithium, for those things. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got
No,
your
I
point.
said that even if I'm saying that even if you are going to tell me a wrong element, I will never be able to know because I don't know
No,
actually
no,
what
no,
is 110th
no.
element.
Yeah, I know you don't know, but why I am why I just do my mistake. Okay,
No, no, I'm just
I'm
kidding.
not.
I'm just
I'm
kidding. I'm
yeah.
just I'm just joking that even if you tell it wrong, I'll never be able to guess it because I myself don't know. But later on, I may check it on Google. I may check it. And I'll say that
Yeah,
Ayush, you told me wrong.
yeah, that's why I never told wrong, never tell wrong. Okay, chemistry is very interesting subject.
Yes.
Yeah,
So when you take classes, like how are your students? Do they cooperate you? Like,
yeah. They are so complicated.
are you like
They,
that angry teacher?
no,
Are
no,
you a
no,
very angry teacher?
no. Am I looking like that? Yeah, I'm not like
No, no,
that.
no, not like that. No, but I'm just
Um,
asking because every person
Then,
have their way of teaching. That's why.
yeah, my way is only one thing that when I am teaching something, then you are serious. When I am joking something, then you will free to laugh or something to tell the joke and to ask something anything. You are so free to that thing. But when I am teaching, then somebody uh, disturb me, then maybe I am angry. Maybe I become angry. So
You
this
scold,
is
like, like you will be like scolding them, right? How do you scold
yeah,
people?
yeah.
How do you scold people? Like, suppose I'm a student and you have to scold me. How will you scold?
I don't. I did not get your words.
I'm
Could
like,
you
how do you scold people? If I am your student, suppose, for example, I'm a student. So how will you
what?
scold me?
Okay, what? I don't. I did not get the scold meaning. What? I did not get your word. Scold means what?
No, I'm telling that, for example, I'm a student. Okay, for
Yeah.
example, and I did not
Yeah.
complete my homework. I did not complete my homework, and so how will you scold me?
Okay. So I'm not going to give any punishment like that. That I will beat you or something. I am just giving that homework 2 times to do only once. Yeah, this is my
So
punishment.
mean, like I haven't completed it for one time also, and you are already giving me more 2 times. This
Yeah.
is mean. This is mean. You better scold. You don't do this to me.
No, this is not me because it gives you
No, I'm
like
just I'm just joking. Just take it in a kidding manner. I'm just joking to you.
okay, okay.
Okay, so how was today's class? Did you enjoy doing this face-to-face
Yeah,
interaction?
yeah. I always enjoy the class of you in call session also, and this session is also very good. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll meet in next class. Okay.
Okay,
You
okay.
all the best for your mid-semester examination. Do well.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Okay. Thank you so much for your.
Chalo, good night.
Okay, bye
Good
bye.
night.